I've been thinking some about the importance of singing in my head voice, especially as the notes in a melody get higher and higher. The other day I was driving my car and I was singing along to Corey Asbury's song, The Father's House, and I began to realize that this song is in the perfect key for me to demonstrate the importance of singing in my head voice and learning to mix the two between my chest voice and my head voice. First, let me talk about what chest voice and head voice is. It's really all about where the sound is resonating in your body. So right now as I'm talking, I'm really using my chest voice because the sound, I can feel it. It's resonating deep in my throat. This is definitely my chest voice. And now things are going to get a little bit weird. Head voice would be a little bit like, think of Mario. You know, he's like, hey Luigi, hey Luigi, hey Luigi. Or, you know, maybe the Pillsbury Doughboy, he's like, ha ha, something like that. That's a terrible impression of the Pillsbury Doughboy. But you can see what I'm talking about. As you make those sounds, you can really feel the sound resonating more in your forehead or in your head, and that's your head voice. Go ahead and try it. Go ahead and make those sounds. I'll wait. So as melodies move higher up the scale, we need to move from our chest voice into our head voice. And the place in our vocal range where that switch needs to occur is what singers sometimes refer to as their break. Singers can struggle with melodies if the melody constantly moves up and down across their break, but we can overcome this by learning to sing through our break by seamlessly transitioning from our chest voice to our head voice. So let me demonstrate chest voice and head voice. I'm going to sing part of the song, The Father's House, and I'll sing it using my head voice. Oh, lay your burdens down. Oh, here in the Father's house. Check your shame at the door. It ain't welcome anymore. Oh, you're in the Father's house. You get the idea. I'm singing up high, it's resonating in my head, kind of feeling it right here in my forehead. Now, this melody is high in my range, and so if I try to sing it in my chest voice, not only will you hear that I'm pushing way too hard, which is harmful for my voice, but it will be harder for me to stay in pitch, and you'll find that the pitch actually comes flat a little bit, and overall it won't sound as clear as my head voice did. Let me try to demonstrate this same part, but I'm going to try to sing in my chest voice the whole time. Oh, lay your burdens down. Oh, here in the Father's house. Check your shame at the door. It ain't welcome anymore. Oh, here in the Father's house. I think I sing some of the words wrong, but doesn't matter. That was trying to sing my chest voice. Definitely does not work for that song very well. I'm pushing way too hard, and it's hard to stay in tune. Shame at the door, shame at the door, shame at the door, shame at the door. Now, chest voice isn't all bad. I mean, suppose I'm going to sing that melody an octave lower, then chest voice is really going to sound quite nice. Let me demonstrate that. Oh, you're in the Father's house. Check your shame at the door. It ain't welcome anymore. Oh, here in the Father's house. So if I want that kind of sound, chest voice is really nice. But as I'm trying to push the melody up high, the chest voice just isn't doing it. I need to go to my head voice for that. So as singers, it's really important that we learn how to find our head voice and how to be able to sing through our break, transitioning from chest voice to head voice as necessary. There are a couple of vocal exercises that I think can help us. You can actually go to jorgensonmusic.com and click on the resources tab, and on that page you'll find some vocal exercises so you can practice along to these recordings. So we're going to sing a scale going up and down by thirds. It sounds like this. Vla, 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 and so on. Going up and down the scale by thirds like this is going to force us to sing above our break and then below, and then above our break even higher, and then at the break, and then above the break even higher, and it forces us to sing through the break, going above it and below it. When you get to whatever note your break is, you'll have to learn to mix your chest voice and your head voice. And then to help force our voices to resonate in our heads, we're going to sing the scale on an ng sound. So that's an ng, like at the end of king. We'll go and it doesn't sound very pretty. I also find that raising my upper lip a little bit and showing my teeth, kind of scrunching up my nose, helps. I don't know why, but it does. And you can actually do that trick of raising your lip to show your teeth while you're singing words to and it just helps. I don't know why. So let's sing the scale on an ng. I'll go ahead and play it from my computer here. And now things are going to get a little bit weird. Next, you can sing the same exercise on a vla sound and practice using your head voice without the forcing your voice to resonate in your head. Vla, 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 vla. You can just practice running those scales a little bit every day and you'll find yourself getting better and better. You may even want to get more help by finding a vocal coach and taking some lessons. Well, I do hope that this has been helpful to you. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. You can also click the thumbs up button below to let me know that you like this video. Thanks for watching and keep practicing. I sang the wrong words, but let's just try again. Father's house? In the Father's house? What's that song actually called? Better find out. That's hard to do.